Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another new project pan that I'll be joining in this time. So if you're interested in seeing what it is, what I'm doing, then just keep watching. Okay, so as the title suggests, this is called Fall for You. Fall, we don't call it fall over here, but anyway, this is what we're going with. This was set up by the lovely Claire Elizabeth, and I will link her channel down below. She has over 70, when I checked, there was 75 people in this between Instagram and YouTube, and there is like a Google Doc, is it like some sort of spreadsheet anyway, so I'll have that linked down below if you want to be a little bit nosy and have a little bit of a binge, because we know that I do that all the time, so I'm just assuming everyone else's. Premise of this is that there is 6 products that you are working on. Some people are doing this rolling style until the 15th of November. Okay, so let's just see the products that I've chosen. I don't think I'll be doing this rolling style because I am doing a lot of projects, but I just really wanted to do this one as well. So let's just get started. So I have a mixture of goals just so I can be realistic with my lifestyle. So this first one is a highlighter. It's Becca Champagne Pop. Thanks, Elaine. She gave it to me in her swap, which is super exciting. And this is Champagne Pop. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I always wondered what this thing would be like. God. So beautiful. It is very similar to the Ofra Rodeo Drive. Not exact, but very, very, very similar. I want to use this, I think, 20 times. I am panning highlighters everywhere, all over the place. And so I think a usage goal would be realistic to get some use out of my collection. This next one, you're like, what is this, Steph? What is this? This is a finish goal. So there's water in it at the moment because I'm using it to spray my chives plant. This is the Pixie, it's no longer, but it's in the Pixie facial mist bottle. And I finished this. I'm gonna dunk it out. If I have a video of showing you of me doing this, I'll put it up on the screen, but essentially I want to get some tea. I think a mint tea, and we're going to put it in the, boil the water, make the tea, wait for the tea to cool down, and pour it into this bottle and spray it all up my face. Because I absolutely love these. I just think that they're super expensive considering I can achieve the same thing with the tea. I will repurchase when I have more disposable money. I suppose I'd probably get the vitamin C one, the orange one. But for now, the tea is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to do that. Once the bottle is full, I'm going to start working on it, and my goal is to finish, and I absolutely love doing it. If you have a nice little Mr. bottle, I do suggest trying it. I have a question though, if you have tried it yourself. Can you put essential oil into the tea? Or would it clog up the sprayer? Because I did notice when I did it before that there was no scent. There was just tea. And then that goes away. But I do have some essential oils that may make it smell nicer. So if you do know, let me know on that one. This next one, because I'm crazy. I say in every project, I don't want to pan any more eyeshadows. And then what do? I bring in an eyeshadow. So I'm doing a Pan That palette. I'll link it somewhere up above and down below. And I'm panning loads of palettes. But part of me next year is stuck between Pan those eyeshadows, continuing the ones I'm doing, or hitting every shade of hitting pan in all of these. This is crazy. I want to do everything, you know, but I just can't. I'm rolling in the shade Stephanie. I know that sounds so up yourself, but that's not my go. It's just my favorite shade in the palette. Everyone that does watch me know my favorite shades are coppery, those types of shades. It's so pigmented. Look at it, look at that. If I haven't mentioned, this is the Violet Voss palette. What is it called? Violet Voss Ride or Die, and it's just so beautiful, and I want to hit pan on it. Can I do that considering I'm doing so much in relation to eyeshadows? I don't know, but I want to try. So I'll just do a little swatch. Oh God, no wonder it's my favorite. Look at that, one swatch. Don't mind that one up there, but look at that there. It's gorgeous. The next one is a kind of a yes. This is an easy enough one for me. This is a little perfume from Aldi at number 7 in bitter orange, and this is a luxury de toilette. It was 17 euros for 10 of them. I love this particular scent. It's so handy for my handbag, and I just want to give myself permission to work on this now. This is a MAC pigment. I don't know the name of the shade. If you do, will you please let me know? It's like a goldy green color. My friend used to work in MAC, and she filled up this little pot for me in colors that are out of my personal comfort zone, which I thought was really thoughtful. And I want to use it 10 times. I should have a swatch up on the screen of it. It's very poofy. That is it there too. It won't come off. That is me trying to wipe it off. It won't. look, it just won't come off. Like, how good is that? Oh Lord, how am I going to get it off? I don't know, but I want to use this 10 times and I think it's possible to do that. The last product that I'll be working on is a blush, and I want to use this 20 times as well. And this is the Benefit Rockateur Mini, and I did have 3 in my collection. I have one in my declutter drawer and I have one that's in a magnetic palette. And this one I didn't want to get rid of because it is so teeny and it'd be just so handy for, like, I know we're not traveling at the moment, but I do my makeup at work. So I will be traveling to work and then I do it down home in my parents' house. So it's just, and that's like 2-hour drive away. So it's just handy these types of things, considering how long it takes to use blush. So I want to use this 20 times and get some use out of some blushes that aren't in my project pan, my other project pans, because I generally work on a blush to finish. So it will be nice to get some use here, okay? So that was my intro for the fall for you. Please do check out everyone else, and thank you so much to Claire, Elizabeth, for inviting everyone to do this, and I'm so grateful that I was one of the people that were asked. It's such a compliment to be considered for anything, so thank you. I'm looking forward to doing it. I like having little more tangible projects, you know, with like smaller numbers so you can like play easier. I don't know, it's less overwhelming. If you're doing a project pan, let me know. I'd love to see what it is because I'm nosy and I like to binge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Take care. Bye. Thank you.